Hi everyone. In the previous module, we saw the importance of consultation, working with teachers and administrators as a part of school counseling. Now, I welcome you all to the first video of Module 22 on consultation, working with parents as an integral part of school counseling. The learning objectives of this video would be to understand how parental involvement in school counseling is the need of the hour, to recognize the skills that parents need to guide their children. Now let us see parents as being moderators in school counseling. Parents must understand their child's daily needs. They also hold a responsibility for facilitating each of their children develop life skills. These include social skills, daily living skills, and appropriate behaviors. Experts in the field of child psychology and development claim that no one method of parenting is right. Parents may have to try different methods of parenting to see what works for their children. Children may be uncertain of what their parents expect from them. This creates a lot of conflicts within themselves, which in turn may manifest as behavioral and emotional problems. Most of the times, the underlying problem or conflict are masked and unrecognized, and so child psychologists and other mental health professionals emphasize the importance of how parents can be a moderator and also be cohesive in the school counseling process. Guidance and counseling play a valuable program in a school. It is a developmental process through which students are educated on how to deal with emotional and personal conflicts and problems in both school and the society. There should be appropriate persons who are assigned the responsibility of guidance and counseling. India seems to be one of the countries in the world to report high suicide rates among people belonging to the adolescent and adult age groups. The reasons include fear of getting low marks in exam, peer pressure, fear of getting suitable job, depression, and so on. We also see a lot of suicidal news making headlines these days, especially during examinations. Notably in India, children undergo high level of stress, pressure and fear related to exams produced due to peer pressure and influence, where they are forced to perform better. Also, children are frequently told to be perfect and well-mannered by teachers and parents. However, it is also important to know the feelings of children. Now let us see the importance of parental involvement. The need for parental involvement in a child's education has been documented to play a vital role. Parents' participation, whether parents are contributing at home, maybe it is guiding with homework, or at school like attending parent-teacher meetings, doing school volunteering, etc., has been reported to have a noticeable and positive impact on their academic and overall mental well-being. Making parents more knowledgeable can help in a long way in guiding children both at home and at school on appropriate behavior, thereby decreasing problematic behaviors. A research study about parental involvement and children well-being revealed that parents' involvement at school at an elementary level had long-term impact for children. Parent involvement at home was also shown to have a very good benefit for children. These benefits included lower rates of discontinuing school, committed on-time higher secondary level, and school completion, and also in doing further higher studies. School counselors include parents as informants in school counseling for various reasons like for consultation and students' intervention, which could lead to a different experience. In school counseling, consultation with parents improve their understanding of how best to help their children educationally and behave socially appropriate and be emotionally stable. Conventionally, parents' involvement combined with school counselors has mostly been an expert driven model, where the school counselor is expected as a professional who gives needed details and guidance for parents. In the recent past, a collaborative model of consultation has come up where the goal is to jointly define the problem, have targets, plan suggestions, and implement. In schools, the primary aim of parent consultation is to help students in their growth in studies, personal, social aspects, and career development. Now, let us see some of the steps to be followed in the consultation. There are common steps to most of the forms of consultations. They are rapport building, problem identification, intervention planning, implement of intervention, and evaluation and follow-up process. Several studies have been done showing the effectiveness of collaborative consultation of parents and teachers in the reduction of symptoms which are of emotional and behavioral type such as anxiety, aggression, disproportionate anger expression, poor social skills, and attention deficit issues. Some of the broad areas which needs to be given importance in consultation with school counseling are: first of all, parents need to develop sufficient skills to guide children in the proper manner where parents are trained to parent effectively. They are parenting skills, that is parent-child communication, positive discipline strategies, facilitating the child's inner strength, building positive self-esteem. And the second one is establishing a healthy relationship and environment, which is strong family bond, reducing family problems, conducive home environment, and family dynamics. And the third one is emotional well-being, which is addressing emotional needs and offer support when needed, emotional intelligence, emotional expression, and communication styles. Now let us see the parents' role in consultation with school counseling. Parents play an important role in the lives of students or children, so they need to be cooperative enough to implement the counseling in an effective manner. Parents must provide adequate and authentic history or information about the children. Parents must be a source of support and motivation to the children. Parents must be open to use the counseling service available at school. Parents must provide a conducive environment to work out the targets for the betterment of children. Parents hold a vital responsibility to teach their children proper values and attitudes. Parents must interact with the counselor to have a collaborative target for change, like parents help in establishing the needs of the counseling. Parents must maintain a healthy relationship with the children and have healthy emotional expression. Usually, parents are the co-counselor for the children. Parents can give constant updates on the targets given. Follow-up is very important to check the effectiveness of the counseling and to make modifications. Now let us see the impact of parental involvement on children. Parents help their children with a variety of issues such as academic achievement, new school change, orientation and transition, family transition, special needs, relationships, emotional and adjustment related issues. Parents often have many obstacles to overcome. Motivation, positive attitudes about self, and sense of control over their environment improve with parental involvement in the school. Studies report that children from low income and minority families benefit the most from parental involvement. Parents' involvement helps to plan the future for their children in a better way, enhances communication between parent and the child. Parents can help to create awareness. Parents influence the child in career choice. Parents' involvement helps students to realize their talents and potential. Parents showing appreciation to children makes them feel valuable. Parents' encouragement is important to receive as much knowledge and exposure. Parents provide opportunities to learn and develop essential life skills. In this video, we have discussed briefly about the parents' involvement is the need of the hour today. In the next video, we will see briefly about the challenges faced by today's children and what parents can do to help them. Thank you.